Smile, I see you. Where's the other one? There was like 4. There he is. There's 1, 2, she, not a he. Jeez, don't zoom with this thing. So anyway, I uploaded that video, and I got a phone call from Buddy in Texas. He's like, hey, Redneck, you turned that new General into a fucking, like, proper logger's truck? What is that? Jingle jangle? Or you got a bunch of chains in the box? What the fuck is all that bullshit? I'm like, no, man. I use a tractor. Where the fuck did that deer go? There it is. Shit, I couldn't see it with a scope. Anyway, I was like, fuck no, man. I use a goddamn tractor for everything. You know, skidding logs and all that shit. No, man, what all that jingle jangle was is this shit, man. Redneck artifacts. It's fun. That's what that is. But then you may be asking yourself, well, man, how the fuck do you clean all that shit out? Well, it's real easy. I'll show you what we do. So what you do, you put her in 4 low. Right there. See, it says low range. And then you come over here. And you gotta do a 55-point turn because it's in 4 low and it's got all the fucking diff locks and shit turned on. And then you come over here to the Evel Knievel ramp and you just run the fucker right up the bitch. And it's perfect. And then they all kind of just flush out. And then all you gotta do is just open up the floor plug in the bottom for the water. And then all the brass just filters itself back out into the shop. And then, you know, you know, all your brass you can clean and reload. Fuck, that's high brass. You can reload that. I mean, all this shit. Look at that. And then you load it back up and you put it back in a firearm. And then you drive around shooting that shit. I mean, that's just like what you fucking do. I mean, let's turn all this shit off. But anyway, so that's what's making all that fucking noise. That's called FUN. It ain't cheap, but it's fun. Thank God I stockpiled a bunch of shit a long time ago. I wouldn't want to be blasting away fucking today's price. Damn it, I missed this fucking turn earlier today. That's twice. That's twice. I need to cut that. No, it's got a red dot. That's fucking sugar maple. We can't cut it down. Son of a bitch. That tree's really in the fucking way. But anyway. So yeah, that's what we do. Oh, I missed one. What is that? 44? Yeah, 44 mag. I don't even have a 44. What? Yeah, my buddy was shooting one though. 300 Win Mag, that's mine. 500 Smith & Wesson, those are all mine. What the fuck? Can't even read that. Oh, 9mm. Look how tiny that is. Like the size of my dick. If I could even see it around my belly. It's fucking puny shit. Girl was shooting that shit. The only reason it was fucking loud. Oh yeah, there's another. Oh, that's a 257 Weatherby laying down there. And like I said, 12 gauge shotgun. Well, that's just what you do in the country. That's just how you live. Fucking guns aren't weapons, they're fucking tools. I mean, what am I supposed to go do? Go stab fucking livestock when you got a cold one, or when you fucking butcher it? Like, you want me to walk around all Anton Chigurh style with like a fucking cattle bolt and killing them with fucking compressed air or compressed nitrogen, whatever, compressed gas and a fucking cattle bolt to the head? Or, you know, use what you got. Use my fucking tools. Now, I ain't called that many animals. We do some plinking. Actually, more plinking than culling. I mean, fuck, I ain't in the business of just killing all my stock off. Fuck, wife's out of town today picking up pigs. God damn it, man. We're turning this shit into a proper fucking farm, like I said. But, yeah. So, you know, all these fucking people, oh, guns are bad, guns are bad. Well, yeah, maybe all you fucking idiots using them like fucking retards in the city, you know. But out here in the fucking country, there's a whole nother story. We don't run around shooting at each other. We don't fucking... There's just none of that shit out here. It's all about having fun and just living life. If I'm hungry, you go pop an animal, put it on the fucking barbecue, fill your belly, and that's just what you do. I do that instead of going to the grocery store and paying somebody to do all the shit for me and feed it a bunch of bullshit. I don't even know what the fuck it is. You can't even pronounce half the bullshit in today's fucking animals' feed. Much rather fucking grow it myself. Let me tell you, man, eggs taste better when you do them yourself. Fucking bacon tastes better when you fucking do your own pigs. My dogs like eating fucking duck. Don't ask me why. They just do. They like duck. Freshly grilled duck breast. So yeah, that's what we do. Come out to my little hill. It's my UFO landing site. A little hill with no trees on it. I don't know what the fuck. UFO. ET phone home. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, I've ran it on too fucking long. That was a skeeter. Sorry, I was killing a skeeter. Yeah, longer than I should have just to explain what some jingle jangles was in the fucking general. But anyway, I took you for another ride and got to fucking shoot the shit a little bit. I wish I had some homies here drinking beer with me, but you know, that'll fucking happen when the time happens. And till then, we just gonna have to fucking do it by ourselves. Y'all take it easy.